what you will need. So you're gonna need some flowers. So I got this flowers from the dollar store. So you probably just need like 3 bunch or whatever you want to call it. So I bought 3 bunches of this flower. So you can use any flower or any rose of your choice. I decided to get this white ones because I'm in love with white roses. So I got these from dollar store, so they're $3. And I got this mirror vase also from the dollar store. And these are $1 each, so you can find these at the dollar store as well. You can come, hun. So you will need like 4 of them. As you can see, I bought 4. And you will need this box as well. So this box is also from the dollar store. And it's like some storage box or whatever you want to call it. You will need a storage box as well. So this is also from the dollar store. It's like some jewelry storage box, or like just one of these arts and craft boxes you can put some stuffs in. So you can buy that also from the Dollar Tree. And you will need some of this what is it? I call them bedazzled, but gemstone but this one I got it from Walmart because I couldn't find one at the dollar store. But I do believe that the dollar store carries these as well. But I got this from Walmart. It was like $2 for the whole set, but you won't actually need the whole set. So you need these as well. And you need some of this foam stuff where you can like pluck the flower in it. So you will need one of these. I've already used half of it, so this is the other half. So you will need this, and you will need just I don't know how you usually call it, but it's to cut off the stem part of the rose. So you will need something to cut it off. And you will need a glue gun. So my glue gun is actually heating up right now. But you will need some glue sticks as well. So that's all you will need for this DIY. So let's get started, shall we?